Welcome back to Car Reviews. Today, we're taking a close look at a compact powerhouse that's making waves in the farming world, the Mitsubishi CX50 tractor. This small but mighty machine is built for those who need power, efficiency, and durability in a compact design. The Mitsubishi CX50 is a 50 horsepower, 4WD tractor that blends Japanese engineering with real-world performance. It's the perfect partner for small to medium-sized farms and is especially popular among those looking for something versatile, reliable, and economical. The first thing you'll notice is its clean and compact body design, painted in Mitsubishi's signature bright red color. It not only looks sharp but also stands out in the field or on display in any modern showroom. Under the hood, the CX50 is powered by a robust Mitsubishi diesel engine known for its fuel efficiency and low maintenance. The engine delivers smooth performance with enough torque to handle tough agricultural tasks like plowing, tilling, and hauling. It's quiet, responsive, and built to perform under pressure. One of the standout features of this tractor is its ease of operation. The controls are well laid out and intuitive, making it ideal for both experienced farmers and newcomers. The power steering, ergonomic seat, and smooth gear shifts make long hours in the field less tiring. It also comes with a high lift capacity, allowing it to work effortlessly with various attachments like rotavators, seeders, and trolleys. Another great thing about the Mitsubishi CX50 is its four-wheel drive system. Whether you're dealing with muddy fields or uneven terrain, this tractor maintains great grip and balance. The heavy-duty tires add to its stability and ensure better traction, even in challenging conditions. From a maintenance point of view, Mitsubishi has done an excellent job. The CX50 is designed with easy access to engine components, filters, and service points, which saves time and effort during regular maintenance. Plus, with Mitsubishi's wide service network and availability of spare parts, keeping this tractor in top condition is simple. Let's talk about comfort. Yes, even tractors deserve that. The CX50 comes with a spacious operator area, well-cushioned seat, and vibration dampening designed to reduce fatigue. The dashboard provides all necessary readings clearly, including RPM, temperature, and fuel levels, keeping you in control at all times. Whether you're in farming, gardening, or need a powerful machine for commercial use, the Mitsubishi CX50 delivers where it matters most. It's not the biggest tractor out there, but it offers a perfect mix of strength, style, and smart features that make it a strong competitor in its category. So, if you're in the market for a reliable, stylish, and efficient tractor that's ready to work as hard as you do, the Mitsubishi CX50 might just be the one for you. That's it for today's review on Car Reviews. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest vehicles and machinery. See you in the next one.